show you it on one of these.
Sure.
It's a little bit easier because this, like, there's too many variables for people to kind of grasp.
Right.
So once I do test it, right, the next thing I have to do is test to make sure that the meter is still working. So I would need to go and test my meter again. And it's telling me that...
Is that black and red need to be on the right sides when you do that? Or
Yeah.
does it, yeah. Okay.
So red has to be on the positive, black has to be on the negative. Now look, it's telling me that I got power, but I have no reading. The reason is because I'm on the wrong setting. So I'm on the amperage setting. I have to be on the voltage setting for it to work. Okay. So that red light is indicating, hey, this is a live circuit. And the reading, so it's very important that we are on the correct setting on the meter. Okay, so I tested it to make sure that my meter worked. I tested my circuit to make sure that it was off, and then I tested my meter again to make sure it was still working, so that it didn't shut off in the process, because they have a small internal battery, and if that goes dead, it'll kill the meter.
So that's so good, because then we can build each of those things we can build in when, like, the meter's on the wrong setting automatically when a student has it, and if they haven't checked that, then that's like the first, right? So the power, then one time the meter actually is malfunctioning, so we can have those things as the random variables that are.
Okay, so the one that you wanted. So if we were going to test again, and now let's say that we had to work on a major component of this system, let's say the lines coming in maybe, or let's say that we were actually going to add this other panel here, so we were going to have to reconfigure. I would actually, so if this was in the on position, let me just demonstrate. Let me demonstrate for it first for a second. If it's in the on position, I can't open it. It actually has a safety mechanism that will allow it to open. Now, I can get it open because there